There's a lot of energy around the springtime and getting the golf course open and things coming to life. Here at Niagara Parks Golf, we do have the fortunate situation where we have several golf courses to offer. Our goal will be to offer a safe and healthy environment for the public and for our staff. As a golf course, we're cutting a lot of grass. Mowing fairways, mowing tees and greens, the rough, keeping the golf course in its prime condition so that we're ready to open. Most of our efforts are concentrated on the greens. That's what golfers come to enjoy, that's what golfers take huge pride in, and so do we here at Niagara Parks Golf. From top dressing the greens to rolling the greens and mowing them approximately 1/8 of an inch every day, we'll be ready for our customers when we're set to open. One thing we can guarantee is that our golf courses will be prepared to the standard that our customers can always come to expect. We have many offerings for several different types of golfers. From the driving range, where you can just practice and hit some balls casually, to the short course, Chippewa course, where it's par 3s and par 4s, where you can advance to our 3 championship courses, from the Whirlpool Golf Course designed by legendary architect Stanley Thompson in its park-like setting, to the vast open expanse of here at Legends on the Niagara. Here at Niagara Parks Golf, we have something for everyone.